Let's move on to next question. So, what is the difference between error and exception? This is one thing we normally see in our code, but we will not be aware of all the differences. Let's try to understand all the difference. Font is bit small, but I'll explain all the differences in detail. So basically, both errors and exceptions they are the subclass of throwable. Throwable is a parent class. So errors and exceptions are from throwable only. That's the common thing. So let's try to understand the different things like how it is originated, how is recoverability, types and handling and predictability. So basically errors typically occur when there is like system level issues happens, which is beyond our program's control. Let's say out of memory exceptions or stack overflow or some hardware failure. In case of exceptions, they arise like within the application code itself due to some like for example IO exception, null pointer. So it's within the application code itself. So recoverability, right? In case of error, so it's like unrecoverable, like attempting to catch or handle that will not add any value. Only for logging purpose we can do it, but it's not recommended. But in case of exceptions, we can basically recover, like we can have the proper try catch blocks, we can catch it, we can handle it gracefully. And all the errors are unchecked and it extends the error class. So unchecked means it's a runtime behavior. So in case of exceptions, it can be checked, that is at the compile time. It can be unchecked, which occur at the runtime. So both extends the exception class. And last 2 points like handling and predictability. So it's like as we discussed, we don't need to catch this errors. So program will terminate normally. And in a case of exceptions, yes, we can be like it can be caught, it can be handled gracefully. So errors are unpredictable. It's as we discussed, it's out of application's control. Exceptions can be anticipated. That's why there are like checked exceptions. In case of unchecked also, we can predict. For example, array index auto bound. We can have proper checks to avoid that. So I hope you understood the difference between error and exceptions here.